Welcome once again to the Island Vibes. Peace, blessed, and love to you as always. So today we're gonna talk about the original, legendary, one and only in history, goes by the name which is also originally one Bob Marley. Respect and love Bob Marley for the message that you have delivered throughout this whole entire world and the planet right here, and still treading and still moving and still doing your work as always. Give thanks, Bob Marley. Now we're going to dig a little bit more history about Bob Marley, because a lot still doesn't know about Bob Marley and the history of, even just the basic. So we're gonna touch down into it. Peace, my people, and love.
Exploring the legendary Bob Marley, the fascinating history of one of the most iconic figures in music and a true legend, Bob Marley. Born on February 6, 1945, in 9 Mile, Jamaica, Robert Nesta Marley, popularly known as Bob Marley, became a global symbol of peace, love, and unity through his music and activism. Bob Marley's musical journey began in the late 1950s when he formed a vocal harmony group called the Wailers with his childhood friends Peter Tosh and Bunny Wailer. Their unique blend of reggae, ska, and rocksteady quickly gained popularity, captivating audiences with their soulful melodies and powerful lyrics. Beyond his musical genius, Marley's lyrics often carried profound messages of social justice, equality, and spirituality. His songs like One Love, Redemption Song, and Get Up, Stand Up became anthems for the oppressed and inspired generations to fight for their rights and embrace love and unity. Bob Marley's Rastafarian faith played a significant role in shaping his music and worldview. He believed in the power of love, peace, and the spiritual connection between humanity and nature. His iconic dreadlocks and vibrant stage presence became symbols of his Rastafarian identity and cultural pride. Despite facing numerous challenges and personal struggles, Bob Marley's music continued to transcend borders and touch the hearts of millions worldwide. His album Exodus, 1977, is considered one of the greatest albums of all time, spreading his message of hope and freedom to every corner of the globe. Bob Marley's impact on popular culture and music cannot be overstated. He was posthumously inducted into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame in 1994, and his music continues to inspire countless artists across various genres. His legacy lives on, reminding us of the power of music to bring people together and ignite positive change. So, let's take a moment to appreciate the incredible contributions of Bob Marley, his timeless music, and the profound messages he shared with the world. Can't help but feel the positive vibes flowing through me whenever I listen to his music. Bob Marley's soulful voice and powerful lyrics have the incredible ability to transport me to a place of peace, love, and unity. His songs are like a warm embrace, reminding us to stand up for what we believe in, to fight for justice, and to spread love wherever we go. Whether it's Three Little Birds reminding us not to worry about a thing, or One Love inspiring us to come together as one human family, Bob Marley's music is a timeless reminder of the power of music to heal and uplift our spirits. So, if you're feeling a little down or just need a dose of positivity, I highly recommend turning up the volume and letting Bob Marley's music wash over you. Trust me, it's impossible to resist the urge to dance and sing along. Let's keep his legacy alive by sharing our favorite Bob Marley songs in the comments below. Spread the love and let the music unite us all.